Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best LEGO Loop Coaster is probably one of the most ambitious and thrilling LEGO sets ever released, offering an unparalleled building experience and a spectacular display piece that will captivate both LEGO enthusiasts and theme park fans alike. This colossal set, featuring a fully functional roller coaster with 2 loops and a unique drop tower element, promises hours of entertainment and a sense of accomplishment for builders of all ages. Prepare to be amazed as we dive deep into the intricate details, innovative engineering, and sheer fun that this incredible LEGO creation has to offer, making it a must-have for any serious collector or anyone looking to add a touch of excitement to their LEGO world. Number 5. LEGO Ideas Treehouse 21318. Introducing the LEGO Ideas Treehouse, a magical building experience for ages 16 and up. This set offers endless creative possibilities. Customize your tree house with interchangeable leaves, switching between vibrant green for summer and warm yellow and brown for fall. It's a dynamic build that reflects the changing seasons. Explore 3 distinct cabins, each with its own charm. From a cozy bedroom with a working crane to a fun kids' room and a detailed bathroom, there's a space for every story. Discover a landscape base complete with a picnic area and a babbling stream. The detailed interiors of each cabin are designed for imaginative play and storytelling. This set includes 4 minifigures, a mom, dad, and 2 children, plus a charming bird figure. The removable roofs and treetop ensure easy access for play and display. With its intricate details and impressive size, this tree house is more than just a model, it's a statement piece. Perfect for display and hours of engaging fun. What we like. This set offers a unique seasonal display with its interchangeable leaves, perfect for showcasing autumn or summer vibes. It features 3 distinct cabins, each with its own detailed interior, providing ample play and display opportunities. If you appreciate nature-inspired builds and enjoy dynamic seasonal changes, this is the perfect set for you. What people say. The LEGO Loop Coaster 10303 is a fantastic addition to any LEGO city or amusement park display. The set features 2 thrilling loops, a working elevator, and a spinning car feature that adds to the excitement. Building the LEGO Loop Coaster 10303 was a rewarding experience. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, and the final model is impressive in size and detail. The motorized functions are a great touch, bringing the coaster to life. The LEGO Loop Coaster 10303 offers a unique building experience with its intricate track design and functional elements. The ability to customize the track layout adds replayability and allows for creative expression. Number 4. LEGO Super Mario Nintendo Entertainment System 71374. Relive the golden age of gaming with this incredible LEGO recreation of the Nintendo Entertainment System. It's a detailed build for adult fans of retro consoles. This set brings the classic Super Mario Bros. Game to life in a unique way. You can even interact with it using a LEGO Mario figure. Every detail of the original console is here, from the controller to the opening for the game pack. It's a true collector's item. Turn the handle to scroll the screen and see Mario react to enemies and power-ups. It's an interactive experience like no other. To unlock all the interactive features, you'll need to combine this set with the LEGO Mario figure from the Adventure Starter Course. It includes a cable, plug, and even a channel knob for a realistic experience. Super Mario Bros. Fans will love these authentic touches. Once built, this impressive model makes a fantastic display piece. It's a great way to show off your love for classic gaming. What we like. Experience classic gaming in a new way with this interactive build. It recreates the iconic NES console and a retro TV displaying Super Mario Bros., bringing a piece of gaming history to life. If you're a fan of retro video games and enjoy interactive LEGO experiences, especially with the LEGO Mario figure, this set is a must-have. What people say. The LEGO Loop Coaster 10303 is a fantastic build with a lot of moving parts and impressive functionality. The dual-track design allows for 2 different coaster experiences, adding to the replayability and fun. The motorized elements make the coaster operate smoothly and realistically, bringing the amusement park to life. Number 3. LEGO Icons Haunted House 10273. Step into the chilling world of Manor Von Baron, a detailed collector's piece designed for adult fans. This is a dark and spooky haunted horror house, perfect for immersive building. Discover a freefall ride, haunted doors, and a cursed painting filled with artifacts collected by the villain, Samuel von Baron. It's packed with intriguing details. With hinged sides that open to reveal creepy decor, the light bricks illuminate the scene instantly. Batteries are included for immediate spooky ambience. Enhance your model by adding powered-up components to control the elevator via an app. This allows for an even more interactive and thrilling experience. This set features 3,231 pieces and 10 minifigures, including one in a wheelchair. It offers hours of relaxing building and results in an eye-catching display model. Looking for a unique birthday or Halloween gift? This haunted house set is ideal for ghost hunting and thrill-seeking loved ones. It's a fun and memorable present. This is part of a series of inspiring building sets for adults. It's designed for fans and hobbyists who appreciate elegant design and creative building. What we like. Step into a world of mystery and thrills with this detailed haunted house. It features a thrilling freefall ride and eerie decor, complete with light-up elements for an atmospheric effect. If you love spooky themes, enjoy intricate builds with interactive features, and are looking for a striking display piece, this set is ideal for you. What people say. The LEGO Loop Coaster 10303 is a fantastic addition to any LEGO collection, offering hours of fun and creative building. This set features an impressive double-looping roller coaster design that is both visually stunning and engaging to play with. The motorized function allows the roller coaster cars to ascend the lift hill and travel through the loops, providing a realistic and exciting experience. Number 2. LEGO Creator 3-in-1 Ferris Wheel 31119 Building Kit. Get ready for endless fun with this amazing building set. It offers 3 exciting models in one, sparking your imagination. Create your own thrilling amusement park experience. You can build a Ferris wheel, bumper cars, or a swing boat ride. Bring your park to life with 5 minifigures. They're ready for a day of excitement and adventure. Take a spin on the magnificent Ferris wheel. It features 8 gondolas, a ticket booth, and even a balloon cart. Experience the excitement of the bumper car ride. With 3 cars and a ticket booth, the fun never stops. Enjoy a ride on the swing boat. It comes complete with a claw machine and a gumball machine for extra fun. This 1002-piece set is perfect for building with family. Enjoy a wonderful bonding experience as you create your amusement park. What we like. Get ready for endless fun with this versatile amusement park set. It offers 3 different build options, a Ferris wheel, bumper cars, and a swing boat ride, ensuring variety and replayability. If you enjoy theme park builds and want a set that provides multiple creative outlets and hours of imaginative play, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The LEGO Loop Coaster is a fantastic addition to any LEGO city. The loop feature is incredibly fun and adds a unique element to the ride. The build quality of the LEGO Loop Coaster is excellent. The pieces fit together perfectly, and the finished product is sturdy and impressive. The attention to detail in the LEGO Loop Coaster is remarkable. From the minifigure characters to the intricate track design, it's clear that a lot of thought went into this set. Number 1. LEGO Creator Expert Roller Coaster 10261. Experience the thrill of building a fully functioning fairground roller coaster. It features 2 trains, exciting dips, and even a cotton candy machine for endless fun. This impressive playset includes 11 minifigures, from riders to attendants, along with a smoothie stand and cotton candy cart. It's designed for an immersive building adventure. Take your creation to the next level by upgrading it with LEGO Boost and LEGO Power functions. This will make your roller coaster experience even more engaging. Enjoy assembling intricate train rails, cars, and fun props. This fairground attraction measures over 20 inches high, 34 inches wide, and 16 inches deep. With 4124 pieces, this creative construction toy is perfect for builders aged 16 and up. It's a fantastic challenge for fans and kids of all ages. This fairground toy can be combined with all other original LEGO construction toys and building blocks. Unleash your creativity and build anything you can imagine. What we like. Experience the excitement of a fairground with this impressive, fully functioning roller coaster. It features a detailed track, 2 trains, and numerous fairground elements for an immersive experience. If you are looking for a challenging and rewarding build that offers a dynamic display and the potential for motorized action, this set is designed for you. What people say. The LEGO Loop Coaster is a fantastic set for display and play, with its impressive size and intricate details. The motorized function adds an extra layer of fun, allowing the coaster cars to travel up the lift hill and through the loops. The set includes 2 different car designs and a variety of track pieces, offering customization options for builders. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.